How to protect your home from supernatural influences such as ghosts. Who are these inhumans? Are there really demons in this world? Do you think that the human being who came into this world after growing in the mother's womb for 9 months can die in one moment and leave everything behind? Today, I will tell you with evidence that it is not so. Also, today you will be able to know how to help someone to be separated from living people very easily after his death. We all know that we are all getting closer to our death day by day. We all have a lifespan that our bodies bear. All of us have the opportunity to enjoy this ultimate longevity, if not for an untimely death or for diseases that we force ourselves to adopt. At some point in our lives, our bodies stop growing any further, and from then on, our bodies prepare for death. Little by little, we start handing back to the nature what we have collected from the nature. According to medical science, the death of a person is the complete cessation of brain function and the complete cessation of heart function. But this death introduced by medicine is not the complete death of a person. There are 5 basic forces that affect all the activities that take place in our body. The name that brings together these 5 energies is what we call prana. The 5 main energies in prana are as follows: Samanavayu, Pranavayu, Uddanavayu, Apanavayu, and Vyanavayu. I will bring you a video with complete information about these energies in the near future. Let us now see how these forces behave in natural death. From the moment a doctor declares you dead, these energies begin to leave your body little by little. In fact, the energy does not leave the body, but due to the loss of the basic components necessary for the existence of the energy is released into the atmosphere. Within 20 to 25 minutes of a person's death, the energy called Samanavayu in that body is removed. Equivalent: Samanavayu is the energy that maintains the required temperature of a human body. It is for this reason that after death, the human body loses its normal heat and becomes cold. Within 45 minutes or an hour after death, the energy called pranavayu in the body leaves. The energy called pranavayu primarily helps in the process of absorption in our body. All the things that we get from outside are absorbed into the body due to the influence of energy called pranavayu. Within next 6 to 12 hours, the energy called uddanavayu in the human body is lost. The energy called uddanavayu controls the effect of gravity on the activities in our body. Not only that, it is this energy called Udana Vayu that enables a person to keep his head straight. The energy called Apana Vayu leaves the body of a person between 8 and 18 hours after his death. Apana energy controls all the excretions of the human body. Apana Vayu is the energy that is essential for proper disposal of all the waste produced in the body. After the energy called Apana Vayu leaves the body, the energy called Vyana Vayu, which is the last energy in the body, starts to leave. It can happen between 11 and 14 days. Vyana Vayu energy is the primary energy that is scattered throughout the human body. It is the energy called Vyana Vayu that works throughout the entire body, tying together all the systems and providing the necessary nourishment to all. You understand now, don't you, that even if you call a certain date the day of someone's death, it is a very slow and systematic process. You know that there is a technology in the world that can take a DNA sample from the clothes you wear today and create a person exactly like you even after 100 years. That means it is possible to collect your physical body, its physical characteristics, even with your asthma. It means that even if a person dies in the clothes he wore, the goods he used, wherever he lived, that person or that person's physical characteristics may remain. Do you know that our past ancestors, after the death of a certain person, he destroyed the clothes and goods that he had worn? Actually, the reason they do this is to destroy the remaining DNA and certain energies of that dead person. Therefore, you should also remember that after the death of a person close to you, never keep any items that he used with passion and love, such as clothes, pillows, mattresses used by him. Especially the underwears of a dead person should be burned and destroyed. Lord Buddha and many other sages have preached the value of an austere lifestyle. Especially the yogis living in India live a very simple life. They use only a few very limited items. The reason for this is that they are careful not to leave anything behind after their death. Because they knew that if you live with your body scattered all over the place, it will be a very difficult task to collect it all and die empty-handed. Our lifestyles today are very complex. We all live with too many clothes in a closet, and we all have a very large amount of property. After a person actually dies, we can't stop thinking that it is a big crime to burn all this. Therefore, you should also keep in mind the points I have described about and act very wisely in such a situation. Do not leave things like equipments, clothes, shoes, pillows and mattresses that were used very closely by the deceased. Don't keep other valuable equipment in one place. Give them to different people or sell them for money. Then you can get rid of the accumulation of those energies in one place. Such energies, which are present in various ways in the environment around us, do not have the ability to think or make independent decisions as they do not have senses. Therefore, those energies naturally attract other similar energies. Be careful to maintain your home or place of business in such a way that it is not a place that attracts such spirits.